Hello everyone. Welcome to the new video of Sudo Git Cyber. Today I found some problems during updating my Kali. As you see in the video, when I write command for updating it shows some error. Let's go the screen and fix it. This is not only you, this is for everyone, and this is entirely their fault. They lost access to the signing key of the repository, so they had to create a new one. At the same time, they froze the repository, so nobody was impacted yet. But they're going to unfreeze the repository this week, and it's now signed with the new key. Officially in Kalilinux website we get the news that it's a universal error. Almost every user will face this issue. The reason behind this error is it need to be roll a new signing key for the Kali repository. We need to download and install the new key manually. The new key is signed by some developers from the Kali team, and the signatures are available on the Ubuntu openpgp key server. In some cases, you might just prefer to rebuild your Kali systems from scratch. For that purpose, they updated all of their images so that it contains the new keyring.